It's not always the safest occupation. Sometimes trains and trucks and cars go by, but this is one of the only chestnut groves in the area. Been here for a couple hours already, and I've harvested quite a few. I'm glad I'm not the only one thinking about food, and I feel like my power animal right now is a squirrel, and it's encouraging me to squirrel away some nuts. So why not the local nuts? Like, you can hear them dropping. They're almost dropping right on my head. One dropped on my van and just presented itself to me like this gold, this beautiful treasure trove. I'm open to suggestions of what to do with them. I've heard about roasting them on an open fire, blanching them with butter and oil. I'm looking at making a chestnut cream back from Europe, and chestnuts are quite a delicacy there, and I had some chestnut liqueur, chestnut cake. So I'm open to like more suggestions, but I kind of like the idea of a chestnut cream that you would spread on toast. I will share with you more as I go. This would be the husk. So in my understanding, it's hanging like this, and when the chestnut is ripe, it just opens up and the chestnut falls to the ground, and it's so heavy, usually it like burrows itself. So sometimes you have to really like dig around. So getting in this position is super beneficial if you want to be successful at this little foraging game. So yeah, these are brutal. Bring gloves. If you want to get the exhilaration, the dopamine hit you get when you see one is better than a video game. You're getting exercise, you're out in the fresh air. I mean, most of this is forest. I'm just down on the tracks because of gravity. I figure they're rolling downhill, and this is where the jackpot is. And I was here earlier and I picked up multiple pounds, but here's another one. Not huge, but not bad either. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna be for the next couple days, with all the other foragers. So I'm super stoked to be here right now, and I will show you my find. I feel like a miner, you know. I feel like, wow, if I was like 100 years ago with the mining boom, I would have probably been up in like Whitehorse, Yukon, for sure. Mother Nature is very generous today. Yeah. I could just spend like 10 minutes under this tree and find like probably over 100.